As 2024 draws to a close, anticipation is building around Apple's upcoming innovations for 2025. The tech giant is known for transforming the tech landscape, and next year promises to be no different. From sleek new iPhones to groundbreaking foldable devices, Apple has some major developments lined up that are sure to excite tech enthusiasts. Let's dive into what's in store and how these innovations could shape the future of technology. One of the most exciting rumors making the rounds is the upcoming launch of the iPhone 17 Air. If reports are to be believed, this device would set a new benchmark for slimness and portability in smartphones. Apple is known for its sleek designs, but this could be next level, offering a device that's not just incredibly thin, but also powerful enough to meet the demands of today's users. But that's not all. There are also whispers about Apple entering the foldable market, with potential new foldable iPads and MacBooks in the works. The idea of an 18.8-inch foldable iPad Pro by 2027 is particularly intriguing. A device that combines portability with large-screen functionality could truly change how we use tablets and laptops. On the software front, Apple's iOS 18.2 update has already brought a host of new features that are reshaping the iPhone experience. One of the most notable changes is the integration of ChatGPT, an advanced artificial intelligence tool that can assist with everything from creative tasks to problem solving. This feature elevates the iPhone's productivity capabilities, making it a more essential tool for both personal and professional use. Additionally, iOS 18.2 brings new visual upgrades for the iPhone 16 models, along with Genmoji, which are customizable emojis that allow users to add a personal touch to their conversations. The update also brings back the volume slider on the lock screen, making it easier to adjust your device's sound settings, and introduces mail categories to streamline email organization. As Apple turns its attention to the future, beta testing for iOS 18.3, iPadOS 18.3, and macOS Sequoia 15.3 is already underway. Early feedback suggests that macOS will soon feature Genmoji, extending the fun emoji customization to desktop users. tvOS is also expected to receive an update that will enhance smart home features, including compatibility with robotic vacuums. These updates are expected to be released in January 2025, offering Apple users a steady stream of new features to enjoy. One of the most anticipated hardware updates is the redesign of the Magic Mouse. Apple has long faced criticism over the charging port's placement, which renders the mouse unusable while charging. The new version of the Magic Mouse, expected to launch in 2026, will address this issue with a complete redesign that is sure to please users who have been frustrated by the current model's limitations. Another exciting development is the second-generation AirTag, set to debut in 2025. This updated version will feature improved ultra-wideband technology, significantly extending its tracking range and making it easier to locate your belongings. For those who already own the first-generation AirTag, the time capsule enclosure by Elevation Lab offers a clever solution to extend its battery life. By using just two AA batteries, the time capsule can power an AirTag for up to 10 years, making it a practical accessory for those who rely on AirTags for everyday tracking. Turning to the iPhone 17 Pro, Apple seems to be focusing on a balance between tradition and innovation. While some rumors suggest a complete redesign of the rear camera layout, recent reports indicate that the iconic triangular arrangement of lenses is likely to stay. However, the overall design is expected to receive a refresh, offering a more modern look while retaining the classic elements that make an iPhone instantly recognizable. Apple continues to lead the way in both hardware and software, delivering products that push the boundaries of what's possible. From the ultra-slim iPhone 17 Air to foldable devices and the latest software updates, it's clear that the future is bright for Apple fans. The company's commitment to creating seamless, innovative experiences across its product lineup ensures that Apple will remain at the forefront of the tech world for years to come. What are you most excited about when it comes to Apple's future releases? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3 in production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, We're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.